What's up, everybody? This is Jamie from JT Frenchies. I'm out here today with Gucci and Zoe. It's raining outside, so what I try to do is the minute it slaps, I try to get my dogs out here fast as possible. Because I do not want these dogs shitting in their cages. This is real tough. This is a breeder's nightmare. When your dog is when it's raining and you have more than 3 to 4 dogs, oh my God. Trying to get them dogs out in the rain, they coming back in the house wet, trying to make sure they shit. Gucci taking the shit now. Come on, Zoe, we ain't got all day. It's drizzling now. Wait, girl. Wait, girl. Wait, girl. Hey, girl. It's all looking good. She bouncing back. That's my Zoe. Look at her. That's my Zoe. That's my girl. That's my girl. Ain't this right, baby? Ain't this right, Zozo? Ain't this right? She knows she's spoiled. Smokey. I'm not the brightest man, but over here it look like you're taking a shit. Let me leave Gucci alone. Yeah, man, so that's what it is, man. Y'all, when it's raining, that shit be terrible, man. You want to get your dogs, soon as slack up, get them out there. And I definitely cut back on their food, especially when I know if it's gonna rain, if it's calling for rain like 2 or 3 days straight. Oh yeah, you ain't gonna be around here just goddamn stomach full of shit. You gotta goddamn cut back. What's up, Gooch? You finished? What's up, boy? Gooch. Hey, walk. Hey, what? Hey. Go up. What's up, boy? Yeah. Get now. Mozo ain't coming in heat. We'll have to check her out. Nah, she not coming in heat. I don't see no blood. I gotta keep my eye out. Gucci smells something. Gucci nose never fails him. When Gucci smell it, I mean, hey, when he smell it like that, and he stay there licking for a minute, oh yeah. Gucci trying to tell me something. He thinks Zoe coming in heat. Gucci, hey, y'all, his nose it don't lie now. We're gonna see. We'll see in another week. I don't think she ready though. I have to add it up. But anyway, it's raining. Got to get the other dogs out here. Thank you for watching. I'm out.